Hi there, Roger Connect, President, Universal Accounting Center, and it's Sales Tip Tuesday. The one we're going to be addressing today is that of complimenting others. And essentially, what it's based upon is a great study called the Happiness Project. This essentially determined that what people do is when they say kind words about other people, the person hearing this then presumes and applies those same traits to the individual saying them. In other words, if you're complimenting people saying they're nice, they're friendly, they're punctual, all those types of things, the person hearing you compliment another individual then ascribes those same traits to you. And so obviously as you're doing this, you want to be genuine. You don't want to imply that someone is, let's say, punctual when the other individual knows they're obviously not. But the point is as you do these things, you're drawing out or identifying traits that because you're saying them, people assume that they relate to you as well. That's why you're noticing them, is because you have them in common. So one of the things that we want to do when marketing and selling is recognize that as you speak of other business owners or other people, the same things you're saying about them, people will be ascribing to you. And so this is really, I think, a very good point of then don't complain about and speak poorly of other individuals, because those same traits that you're identifying that are negative are then just naturally going to be attributed to you indirectly because you keep harping on or addressing them. So by all means, it's that old adage that we all learned from our mothers: if you don't have anything nice to say, don't say anything at all. Why? Because as you harp on and address those negative things, all you're doing is damaging your own character. Let's in turn actually focus on the positive. Let's find what things do we like about other people, what do we enjoy, what do we admire, what do we see that makes them unique and special. And as we're addressing those things and pointing them out to other individuals, those people will start to see those same things in us. And that's what we're trying to do, is actually be that person that's positive, uplifting, encouraging. And as we're doing this, people will start to see you as that person that they can relate to, that they can view as their trusted strategic advisor, because you're continually complimenting them. And in turn, as you actually take them on as clients, they're going to see that those good natured qualities are going to then follow through into your relationship with them. And most importantly, you're going to speak positive of them as well. When people hear you speak negatively of others, they only assume that in their absence, you're doing the same of them. But if all you're always doing is sharing positive, then the assumption is also the same. They're assuming that when they're absent, you're speaking positively of them as well. So let's be the bearer of good news. Let's be the one sharing the positive message. Let's be the individual that people like being around because we're positive and uplifting. And this will actually help us in our sales process, because people will be drawn to us. So remember, compliment those around you, and those same compliments that you're attributing will then be seen indirectly or even subconsciously in you as well. Take care, and remember this: business success is universal. Take care.